Alright guys, welcome to the video over normalization. And I'll be going over the first three forms because they're the ones that are most used. The other ones, I've never used them. If you want to look into them, just like Google search it, you'll find it. It's pretty easy. So we'll be going over 1 NF, first normal form, 2, and then 3 NF. Alright, sweet. First normal form is getting rid of extra data and making sure things are atomic. So, if you don't remember what atomic is, that means it's as small as it can get. This one's atomic, this one is not atomic, because these are separate, and this is not. Obviously, you can decide what needs to be separated and what doesn't. The time, let's say 8 hours and 12 minutes and 32 seconds. I don't see a reason to break that up, especially since most databases work really well with times. Alright, so the first normal form, everything is atomic. That's the very first thing. The next thing is it gets rid of extra sets of data. So I'll give you an example here. We have movie. So it's my movies table, and we got title, and then actor 1. So I got the title of the movie and then the actors. There's a huge problem with this. As soon as you see this, you should be like, no. Because look, let's say we have a movie named, I can't even think of anything. Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Awesome. And the actors are Jim, John, and Jake. Now, what if you have 4 actors? Then you would have to go and alter the table to add a 4th actor column. Now we have another movie named Cool. Caleb and Carl. So let's divide this up some so it's easier to see. Whoops, I mean cross that out. Oh man, horrible. Alright, so you can see each one of these is filled, but this one, it's empty. So this will be replaced with a null box. That is bad. So you may think a way to get around that. Alright, so you have title, and then you have actors. So the title, see now, we have all the actors listed across with the movie. This is another problem because you see, these aren't atomic anymore. This is non-atomic because they're all together, which is not what we want. We want them separate names. So I'm going to erase this and show you how to fix this. So the way to fix this is, if you think about it, movies and actors is a many-to-many relationship, because a movie can have more than 1 actors and an actor can be in more than 1 movie. So either one is many-to-many, and you do not want a many-to-many relationship in your database. So the proper way to do this is movies over here and actors over here. And each one is signed a primary key, ID, and ID. So I put these as movie ID and actor ID, but I don't have any room. Alright, so the next thing I do is draw an intermediary table. So this would be movies and actors, or movie actors, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter. Now this is an intermediary table. You have to memorize that. It's not really necessary as long as you know what it is. Now this would reference the IDs. So it would be movie as a column, and then actor as a column. And then it has, for example, ID 1, and then the actor ID 1. So that would be the movie Awesome, and and this would be, I think his name was Jim. And then you can have ID 1 again, and then this would be ID 2, which that would go to the next one. What was his name? John, I think. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. They all had J's, but whatever. And then once you get to a new movie, you just change the ID to this. ID 2, and then you can have ID 1. So now, when you do the search, you can just replace the IDs with the name, so it would be Jim and Jim play in movie 1 and in movie 2. So you can tell what movies Jim is in. In the next video, I'll be teaching you about the second normal form. And you better watch it because it's going to be awesome.